Hey guys, welcome back to Bite the Book. Today we're gonna look at August 23rd. Wow, what a day. That's all I can say. You know, this shit went straight down. Like it went down $101. That's a 3% move. 3%. That is ridiculous, ridiculous, ridiculous. I can tell you that fundamentals were a huge part to play in this. We'll talk about fundamentals later. In the meantime, we'll break down the charts. So start off with the hourly and just go down to the 5 minute and possibly the 1 minute. So on the hourly, you can see, a little structure was forming here, right? If we look at it from August 21st all the way to the 23rd, you'll see that we built a nice little support area over here, right? Price came back down here once, twice, broke through it, right? Came back up 3 times, and also hit the top resistance 3 times as well too, right? Just to go down to the daily, just so you have a bigger view of this, it did the same thing, right? Okay, average spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 around here, right before coming back down. Anyway, I don't think there's much to show. Maybe this spot we can bring this down a bit more, right? Just to show that and see what we get. Because after hours, before the 23rd, we only have this resistance, right? And then this minor over here, which would extend, right? So let's extend this as well too. Just to extend it. Okay. And then we'll put something over here just for fun. Okay, now I'll go to our 30 minute. 30 minute, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Support held for a second, right? But this is kind of like a minor when you think about it, right? Drop. This drop was actually before the market even opened at 8 o'clock. That would only be 7 o'clock Chicago time, right? And then we get 8:30, 9:30. So 9:30 pushed down, right? When it Chicago opened, pulled up back to this minor, right? Created a massive wick. This wick was about $10. I probably could have bought on it after. We'll go to the 5 minute and just see, where opportunities would lie. And then after, shortly it plummeted down, right? This candle was a $40 candle. That's ridiculous, right? In a 30-minute candle, if you have $40 move, wicks will instantly get filled, right? Just because of momentum alone. And look at that. That's only $2 stop loss. You would have been fine. Let's go to our 5:15. Break this down some more. Okay. So again, we have a sharp move down. 9:30, the open pushes down again before it continues up. Right? This comes down. Wow, that's $4. And it goes up to 20. And it comes back down. For this type of trade, I think sell stops would have been probably the best thing to do. Yeah, when it came down, it could have ticked your sell stop and then go all the way back up. But like, look how much you could have caught, right? Even if it was outside of this range, that's still a $45 move. On the 15-minute, this wick is a little bit bigger, right? But then so is this. So depending on how you traded it, you could have been out the money, which would not be good. So now let's look at what's next. The 5 minute. Actually, no. On the 15, there's a really good pattern over here, right? We have a little consolidation and then push down. These wicks, you'd have to be very careful about entry, right? But I think overall this could have been a really good move, especially if you caught it. So let's say you caught it up here, you could have caught at least $20 if you traded it properly. And now the 5 minute. I love the 5 minute. It's so beautiful. On the 5 minute, we get our action. So 5 minute, right before open at 8 o'clock, market pushed down. So what? Right, $25. Support held a bit, pushed up. So now for me personally, I think I would have been the guy that would buy right here, right? I'd buy right here. Hold on a sec. I'd buy right here, right? Because kind of break the structure over here. Probably buy right here or right here, depending. I'd probably make that $5. Yeah, I'd make the $5. And then I probably wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Damn. Could have been a $10 trade too, actually. Yeah, $10 easily. But the thing is, like, when price is moving so quickly, you don't want to just catch $10. It's kind of shitty. I don't want to say that, but it's kind of a shitty feeling sometimes. But anyway, let's say you do get stopped out after, right? You made the purchase, you get stopped out over here, and then you see the close over here, right? Once the close is like this, I think you're actually good to take those sells, right? Because the worst that price can do is move up over here, and by the time it even gets there, right, you're already stopped out. And then just to continue that, price continues going down, structure forms again over here, right? Down, up, down again, and then it continues. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, risk on.